Well, well, well. We're not in the shop right now, boys. What we're going to do? What are we going to do? I think we're going to do something fun today before we work on the truck. Now, we're going to continue with the wiring, but we're not even going to show that. So, we're going to go and have some fun. Let's go watch some no prep street racing, no prep racing. So we're going to go down to the fairly local drag strip here, and they're having a no prep event, and I think it'll be fun. So let's go down and check them out. Let's go. Long way. We're going to the end of the world. Long way. We're getting there. On the way. On the way. Yep. We're in the town of Pageland, South Carolina.
Turn right onto Van Lingle Mungo Boulevard.
Wherever that is. Van Lingo Mungo. I don't know where I'm at. All right, boys. So we got our wristband. We're ready to go watch some racing. Let's go.
Hell no, to the no, no, no. Yeah, to the no, hell to the no, to the no, no, no. Listen.
Alright, while they're going on their cruise there, they should be back in about 15 to 20 minutes. I need all my other drivers up here. 7.0, 8.0, modern, big tire, and small tire. I need all my drivers and anybody that wants to register up here at the booth for chip draw. Thank you very much. Chip draw will be in 7 minutes. We need you guys up here. 7 minutes. right, y'all. All pairs of cars coming up right now. Did a 15-mile cruise earlier. All these are cruise street cars.
It ain't as bad as the last.
The Battle of the Cities, Rockingham versus Pageland. Which one y'all got? Lane, barely left a little bit early. Right lane, moving on. In the right lane, we got Bo Morris in the Turbo Catfish Camaro. Left lane, Dave Wright from Shift Fast Motorsports in his Pro Charged LS Camaro.
way more than enough video of what I need to do.
In the right hand lane, we have Terry Coleslaw in his LSA supercharged Fairmont wagon.
There we go.
In the left lane, we have David LaBerge.
A little wagon action. Which old blue one? Yeah. Or the truck. I love a good Pro Charger though, I'll tell you what. All right, guys. Well, the weekend is over, bro. The weekend is over. We had a great time. Went and seen some racing. Mowed the grass. Did what we got to do. It's a great weekend. I worked a little bit on the truck, but we did a lot of work on a lot of wiring and all that, which I don't even want to do it. I don't want to watch it anymore. So we're gonna have some fun next couple weeks. We went some racing this weekend. I had to get the juices flowing, and get all that kind of excitement, I guess, back, into the stuff. So you need to do that sometimes, immerse yourself and back into the greatness of what you remember and all that. So that's what we did, and had a good time. All that, had hang out with some friends, and did that. So you have a great week, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow for more videos, and you never know what we're going to be doing. Maybe working, maybe having fun, maybe slave laboring in the yard. Who knows? So anyway, appreciate you guys. Have a great day.